Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how I got items worth $15, that is about 6,000 naira on AliExpress for just $0.17.
Oh my god! Wow!
To do this, I made use of a $6 coupon. If you create a free account using my link in the description, you get a free $4 coupon and you can do something similar to what I did. Well, first of all, you have to create an account. The account creation process is very simple. To make use of your coupon, visit the account section and then head over to coupons. You get coupons from time to time. This is an old account, so I was given a $6 coupon. As you can see, it can be used on orders over 6.01. I already have an item I wish to purchase, so all I have to do is go to my account, head over to my wish list. As you can see here, the item I have here costs $6.1. So I'll select it and we are good to go. Well, we have to place the order now. So we'll be doing just that. As you can see, my order has been placed. So I just arrived at the post office now and I'll be picking up my item. So I just collected it. This is it in my hand now and I'll be heading straight home. So quickly, let's open this up and see what we have here. All right. Voila. Wow. So this is it. This is it. Perfecto. Perfect. Very perfect. You can see. Let me just try to put this